Hey everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic kitchen, and in this quick video I just want to talk you through how you can use Combi mode on our NN-CD88 microwave, and that's the microwave I've got here. If you are interested in purchasing this microwave, it is one of our most popular models because of that separate air fry mode as well. It's a real space saver. If you're interested in this product, then check out their online store, links down below in the description. You can buy direct from Panasonic. So find out more about this product there. So for this example, we're going to cook a jacket potato using the Combi mode on the NN-CD88. We've already washed this potato under the tap. The other thing you need to do in order to prepare it is just prick it a few times with a knife, just to make sure it's going to cook nicely in the microwave. And then we're going to prep our cooking mode. And so we're going to use the Combi mode. So you want to press the air fry Combi button on the control panel. We're going to press that once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, gets us to Combi mode 1. For jacket potatoes, we recommend Combi mode 3. Recommend Combi mode 3. Once you're on Combi mode 3, simply rotate the dial to select the time. And again, for this, we recommend 13 minutes. So once we're happy with that, we're just going to open the microwave up and we're going to pop our jacket potato in. It's already on the enamel tray and it's just going to go straight on the turntable there. Once we're happy it's in, we're going to close the door and press in the dial. And there we go, so that's started. There's no preheat mode, it's just going to start cooking straight away and we'll see how that turns out. So once the Combi mode is complete, the microwave will beep and it will let you know everything's done, and we can open the microwave up. Obviously be careful at this point because everything's going to be very hot, and you can take the enamel tray out with your cooked jacket potato on. We're going to quickly pop that there. It's nice and hot, and there we go. We've got our jacket potato there ready to go. Obviously you can do whatever you want with this. We're going to simply cut it down the middle, open it up, and we're going to pop a little bit of fresh butter in there. Oh. And just a little bit of freshly chopped chives to go on top. And there you have it, easy as that. That's a jacket potato done on the NN-CD88 microwave on Combi mode 3. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.